I heard it's a dentist family, basically. There are so many dentists around, so you don't have to work.
Prawn toast.
Yeah, chit-chat lah, chit-chat catch up.
Oh, New Zealand.
Yeah, I do my practice in university.
Taipei Airport. Taipei Airport. Taipei Airport.
It's a long time already.
Yeah.
I'm not someone who
And then congee.
let's do on Sunday. Last Sunday, because you don't get this kind of movie, and then there's no Netflix, nothing. Only Sunday 3 p.m. Oh, wow.
Man, I'm going to get back to that. Yeah?
Yeah, the very good lesson.
The learning curve steep. Yeah.
Memorable because very different from now. Now it's that you want a movie, they get it immediately. Yeah.
From Netflix. From Netflix. It's good. Always available. I always want to watch it.
Yeah.
Always there.
Next.
Yeah, I do my practice in university.
Taipei Airport. Taipei Airport. Taipei Airport.
It's a long time already.
High-tech airport area is now become residential properties. High-rise residential houses, flats, apartments, all built here.
Oh no. I don't know. Okay.
In Sydney, he's from China. He ended up in Sydney.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's
Oh, I see.
huh? Amen?
Miles last time.
Yeah.
You must be a movie lover, right?
But no, I actually love the story because he, yeah.
Wow.
Wow, you can make him look more handsome than you. No, because he is a.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
As you watch the original, you understand Cantonese or can you speak
You can stand there.
You understand?
I only had 2 explanations.
But I understand.
So now they understand.
I haven't had any of
They
them.
understand like.
They still
I wish they wanted. Yeah, because
They are not that interested.
they're not interested.
A cultural shift.
It's when I moved, they were very surprised. They were like, I was in New Zealand. So you actually love it.
The young people, they're not too much aware of the medical cost.
But the best way they like, it's like a bun you get from Bristol. Yeah, pretty much.
All the money to the sun.
You see, apparently they really find the Canada in New Zealand.
Each unit is really big.
Well, right now it's just 4 p.m. Only 50 metal.
Very special.
It's all rental house. Lease. Yes, the lease is everything. You don't own the house. The government owns the house. They lease it to you.
They call it 組屋， there's no joke about it, right?
Lose.
We buy a house ourselves, not alone. Okay, what happened?
No, you are lucky. You have $4. You have $4. You can look after your family. You don't belong to the family and you belong to the
That
other
time
family.
I was age around 17 and 18. I said I'm planning
They don't have daughter. They want son, they don't have the daughter. Daughter belongs to other people.
They put all the money to their sons or to their sons.
The parents just want the sons.
Lucky you got $4.
You need to look for a good husband. Good husband.
The dad would take the sons.
Yeah.
You don't need to
He
study.
wants to replace them.
The vegetable. And Kat, what your parents like?
That's good. So good. There's a couple of things. It's like what?
Is it yummy?
It's really good. It's not blood. It's what? Really? It's called
With 1 half hour.
So I want to go home and do it now. But after this, I'll go home and sleep again.
Yeah, that's it. So it's just like
At work?
Is it good?
Yeah, let's
So they only have
busy.
like
Always busy. I got a chest pain and I ordered them a CTPA. Yes. No stroke. No stroke. No.
Maybe try with it.
Jiggle it. Jiggle it. Go easy try.
This one, I get my mom to buy. At that time, my mom was not around. So my experience has been New Zealand.
Wow.
So tonight you're on night as well?
Yeah.
Tonight.